Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing another quick unboxing of the Smart Car Cam Intelligent Endoscope. See, we bought this from Shopee. As you can see, it's here. It's only for 250 pesos. It's supposed to have a 1.55 meter cord, 6 LED na 6 millimeter ang size. Okay? Android Endoscope, waterproof snake boroscope USB. Ang haba. Okay? So that's what it says also here in the back. Okay? We're gonna bring it out. Here's what it's supposed to be inside. By the way, I'm using the LED light and one of the ring light and one of the clip lamps that I have on the table. The ring light that I bought from Shopee. You can also see the unboxing here on our YouTube channel. It's already up. So we're bringing out the contents. Okay, so it's empty. Okay, so what we have here now is an installation diskette, which I don't know how we're gonna use since Acer laptop that I use doesn't have CD-ROM anymore. Installation manual. Okay, it says you need to put the CD and follow this, but we don't have. So there's a link here. We're gonna type it in. It's supposed to have the mini endoscope. Okay, this one. Okay, mini USB endoscope, small hook. There's two hooks here. There's one hook and one something that doesn't look like a hook. See? Oh, it's not focusing. I'm using the Huawei Y9S to shoot this video right now, and oh wait. Okay, there's the hook. Let's try to focus. It's not focusing. Okay. Okay, anyway, there's a hook and another that doesn't look like a hook. Okay. Oh. Ah. Okay. There's there's two things. I don't know what these are. It says the side view and the fixed set. Okay. Hook and magnet. The other one is a magnet. See, it's connecting. Yeah. Okay, this is a magnet. Okay. And the USB adapter. Okay. So the end of the cord is micro USB. We're gonna try it now on I don't have a USB phone. I'm gonna try it on a tablet right now. Okay, we're gonna pause it for a while. I couldn't make it work on an Android device since most of the Android devices I have are Type C, but I was able to make it work with the laptop again. I used the same app that I downloaded to use for the ear cleaning device. So as you can see, it's there. When you connect it, you just need to go to the settings and change the device settings, because the default is for using the webcam that I have on the laptop. When I changed it, I first chose the IP camera. It didn't work, so I changed it to the USB 2.0 PC camera. As you can see, it's actually working right now. And there seems to be a button here. I'm not sure what it is yet. I haven't tried it. There's a control here also that's for the lights, as you can see. Wait, I lost the connection. Okay. Let's remove the entire, because I haven't removed the tie wire. Okay. Yep. Ooh. So hi guys, there it is. As you can see, there's the view of the camera. You can change the settings here. I guess you can change the recording method, renderer, MPEG, microphone, where it gets the of course it's gonna get the sound here, because there's no microphone for the endoscope stuff. So as you can see, it's there. I assume, wait, the button It doesn't actually do anything right now. This is for the light. Okay. So see, it's recording already. So let's try to stop it. No, it doesn't work. So I guess I actually need to download the app that comes from that's supposed to be downloaded. But for now it works. The app, you can download it here. It's called the butenuo.cm, PC zip. Okay, as you can read it here. Okay, so that works. As you can see, the light is too weak. Let's make the light. Okay. Ooh. So this is under the drawer under my table right now. So yeah, you can actually use this for, I guess, looking into stuff. If you have a PC and you can't get to the specific area, you can use it to search crevices. So, oh, so nice. So it's only 250 pesos on Shopee. You can attach things here in the end, I assume. Okay. It's a screw top. See. And the side view appears to have a mirror, so you can actually see stuff on the side. If it's on the side, it has a reflection. Okay, see, I can see what's in the bottom right now. Let's make it tighter. Okay, see. Oh, I can see that. So we need to lower the light a little. There, see, I can see the sides. So if it's in a corner or something, you can use the side connection. This one, I guess, is to hold the attachments here, so you can clip it to the device. There's a small hole in the bottom. I guess that's where you actually put it through so that it doesn't move around. You can hardly see the hole. You have very bad eyesight already. Okay, see, it's connected there. It's not moving. And now you can use this to pick up stuff, like screws that fall inside. See, so you can see that. Oh. Okay, so that's it for the quick unboxing of the Smart Cam Endoscope Android and micro Windows for Windows computer applicable stuff. Thanks guys, bye. It's cute.